Welcome to this brand new training video. In this video, I want to give you access to a complete course that's going to teach you step by step how to make $100 plus every single day using Instagram with 0 followers. You don't need any kind of following. You don't need any kind of subscribers. This is proven and tested by one of the top 7-figure marketer who has created this course, and that's going to show you and teach you step by step how you can turn your Instagram account into an autopilot money machine. If you watch some of my videos previously, I have already spoke about Instagram and I have given you a proven method to make money online with Instagram. I have given you the product. I have given you the proven product that's converting very, very well with Instagram. And I have shown you how you can promote other people's product and earn commissions using Instagram, which is a complete free traffic source. In this video, I have decided to give you a course that will help you build a real solid income opportunity and an income business using Instagram. And you don't need any kind of followers. A lot of people say you need followers to make money. That's right. You do need followers, because when you have followers, it makes life easy. Your content is pushed to your followers and you get a lot of boost and a lot of traffic in return. But this course is designed for newbies, for beginners who doesn't have any kind of followers and they still want to turn their Instagram account into a money machine. So if you are interested, let me explain about this course. Let me walk you through on what you are getting with this course and how this one course could help you build a real solid income business using Instagram. So let's dive into this. Okay, so there's a link popping up on the video. You could open up a new browser and just go to this website address. Okay, when you go to this website address, you are going to come to this page here. Make $100 plus a day on Instagram with my automated sales system. No large following needed. Steal my Instagram sales system that converts followers into buyers on autopilot. Works even if you are a beginner. Okay, so this is a complete course you're going to get, and in a moment I'm going to even explain you how this course works, what's the structure about this course, and the insane 6 exclusive bonuses you are going to get when you purchase this course. It's a value packed course. There's no way a person who is serious about making money online, especially he wants to turn an Instagram account into a money machine, there's no way someone can refuse this. Okay, so you're going to come, when you go to this website address, you're going to come to a page just like this. I will have the link in my description box below this video as well for you to check out. Okay, so when you come to this, you're going to see this video. You're going to watch this video. This video explains everything, what to expect from this course. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down. If you want to read through everything, you can read through. Okay, you can see here it's got everything here with the proof of results. You could see here this person who created this course is getting results just like this. Look at this, $11,000 in a single day, $2,000, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and these are the money that's being deposited directly into her bank account. Okay, so you could read through everything. These are a couple of more testimonials and more results from different type of people who bought this course and they're seeing some incredible results. Okay, let's just talk about the bonuses. Okay, so what do you get here? First of all, let's just talk about what you're getting here, then we'll talk about the bonuses. So step-by-step Instagram selling tutorial. Turn your Instagram account into a 24/7 sales machine. Okay, number 2, create irresistible digital product that sell themselves on autopilot. Okay, you will learn exactly how to package your knowledge into a digital product people beg to buy without needing to be salesy. And this is all done with free tools and free resources. Okay, you don't have to purchase these complicated courses and softwares. Get full ownership of the instant profit system. What does that mean? I'm going to explain that in more details. Let's just skip that. Complete set it and forget sales system. You're getting a complete sales system done for you, sales page for you to sell, okay? And a cash framework where you can start making money as quick as possible. So let's talk about the bonuses. Check this out. Viral videos, hook vaults. Find my collection of 100 plus proven hooks that constantly drive 6-figure engagement. My student reports 6x high conversion rate within the first week without spending a penny on ads. Absolutely free. This is bonus one. Bonus to best performing product idea. It's an exclusive list of ideas that consistently generate $50 to $200 a day with minimum effort. This is absolutely free as well. Okay, bonus number 3, done for you sales system. You're seeing this sales page, right? You're going to get exact done for you sales page just like this, okay? This sales page, imagine this, you have a product all done for you, ready made for you to sell. So you're not just learning on how to turn your Instagram account into a sales machine and start profiting from your Instagram account. You're actually getting a done for you sales machine, done for you product, which you can sell and earn 100% profit. That's right. So you're going to get this exact sales page done for you, ready for you to swipe and start making money. So you're going to, with one click, you will able to import this landing page, import this sales funnel, and all the email swipes that converts a freebie into a buying customer with one click using a free tool. Okay. So you're going to get all of this. Master resale rights license. That's right. You're not just buying this product to learn how to turn your Instagram account into a sales machine. You're actually getting access to the product for you to sell and earn 100% profit. That's right. You will, when you purchase this product, okay, on top of everything that you're going to get to learn how to turn your Instagram account into a money machine, you're actually getting a sales machine, a sales page done for you, product done for you, which you will able to sell and earn 100% profit. No cut. Okay, this is your product, you get to sell it and you get to earn 100% profit. And you're going to get the done for you sales page as well to sell the product, the order form to sell the product, the landing page to sell the product, to email swipes to turn those visitors into real fan customers. Okay. Bonus number 5, high converted copy. In a 15-minute high converted copy, discover how to write words that sell even if you never written a word before. This is free. Unlock 24-hour launch checklist. Follow the step-by-step roadmap to set up launch and start making passive income with this profit system. Okay. Again, if you want to get access to this product where you're not just getting the product to learn how to turn your Instagram account into a money machine, but actually 6 exclusive bonuses, which includes one of the best bonus, which is the reseller license, where you get this product for free, done for you product, done for you sales page, and you can sell this product as well and earn 100% profit. Then here's the link popping up on the screen. Pause this video, open up a new browser, go to this website address that's popping up right on the screen, okay, and go there and click on this green button here, okay, and you will able to get access to this product instantly, all right, with the 6 exclusive bonuses for just this price here. Look at this. This is worth $2,000, my friend. The product itself plus the 6 exclusive bonuses. You're getting everything for just this small, tiny investment. One-time payment. Alright? Go and hire someone. Tell them you want to create a product to sell. It's $5,000. That's how much it costs. Go and hire someone. Tell them to create a sales page for you where you can sell that product. That's another $5,000. You're getting everything done for you. The sales page, the product, the done for you product. You get to sell it. You get to earn 100% profit. And plus you get multiple streams of income, which is called the ecosystem in the members area, which you will able to plug in your affiliate links and start earning commissions from multiple companies and multiple products. Okay. And then you could watch this video that explains how this product works. You could see how you're going to learn the training, how you're going to go through the training video to turn your Instagram account into a money machine, and how to gain thousands and thousands of followers onto your Instagram account, and how you will able to just take this product from it and start to actually plug it in, all right, with the sales page, with the sales funnel, with the done for you product, and start selling it and earn 100% profit. So basically, by buying this product, instant access to the product to learn how to turn your Instagram account into a money machine, plus instant access to the done for you landing page, email swipes, this same sales page that you're watching right now, you're looking right now, with the order form to plug it in and start selling this same product and earn 100% profit, just like it's your own product. This is value packed, and you're not going to get this anywhere else. Now, if you want to purchase this product, you're ready to buy, what you need to do is just head over to this website address or check out the link in my description box below this video. If you don't find the link in the description box below this video, then the link will be pinned in the comment section box below this video. Scroll down, go to the comment section, and the first comment that you see, you'll find a link there. Go there, purchase this product, and I promise you're not going to be disappointed. By the way, this product does come with a money back guarantee. So for any reason you don't like what you see, you believe that, oh, nah, I don't like this product, wherever it is, you have 14 days to get your money back. No question asked. 100% risk free. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So what you want to do, you want to go to this website address that's popping up on the screen. You want to click this green button and you want to purchase this course. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, let me know, and I will see you in the next video.